Individuals with Apple devices may encounter issues like Move to iOS not working. In this topic, we'll provide comprehensive solutions to address this challenge. Before delving into the solutions, let's take a look at what makes it necessary to make this app work. Part 1. Why is Move to iOS not working? Network issues, battery draining, poor compatibility, outdated OSs, storage issues, other reasons. Part 2. Fix Move to iOS not working or connecting in 14 quick tips. Tip 1. Check the phone's compatibility. Tip 2. Charge both phones. Tip 3. Enable the airplane mode. Tip 4. Keep Move to iOS on. Tip 5. Update Android operating system. Tip 6. Disable battery optimization. Tip 7. Reinstall Move to iOS. Tip 8. Use the same Wi-Fi connection. Tip 9. Toggle off the connection optimizer. Tip 10. Clear storage space. Tip 11. Disable network-intensive apps. Tip 12. Reset your iPhone. Tip 13. Restart both phones. Tip 14. Contact Apple support. Part 3. Utilize a great Move to iOS alternative stable and safe. Instead of risking an uncertain outcome with this app, you can opt for its superior alternative Mobican transfer for mobile Win and Mac. This reliable alternative consistently delivers excellent results in various scenarios. Step 1. Bin transfer for mobile. Step 2. Verify device positions. Step 3. Transfer data from Android to iOS.